Afternoon, glad to have you with us. I'm Samantha Jones. New here at 4 o'clock. News 4 is watching out for your wallet. For sale by owner or by agent. Home sales are hot and you're paying the price. We've talked about inflation, the higher gas prices, all of that over the last few weeks. And now new estimates show Americans will have to shell out more money when it comes to having a place to live. So what should you do? Keep renting or try to buy? Joining us to help break down the current trends is broker and owner of Garcia Properties, Jennifer Garcia. Glad to have you with us this afternoon.
Thanks for having me.
So first, I want to talk about this. It's been a crazy year for home buyers with getting snatched up quickly. You have to put in an offer really fast or that home's probably going to be gone. So what does the market look like right now if you're looking to buy a home?
Whew. Well, there's never a bad time to buy a home because real estate is always a sound investment, but get ready to apply some patience to the process.
What are some of the things that you're seeing that's making the process more difficult?
Whew. Well, for every house that we sell, we're getting roughly 10, 20, 30, 40 offers on one house.
What is the average price that you think that these homes are being sold for over the asking price? What's that competition look like?
I can't say that there's necessarily an average, but it's not unusual for them to sell $50,000 to $100,000 more than what they're asking.
Wow. Okay, well, with the Federal Reserve hiking interest rates, could higher borrowing costs drive people away from buying homes? Are you seeing any of that happening?
That's a great question. So far, I've actually seen it do the exact opposite. Because since rates are tricking up a little bit, people are like, we better hurry and buy something before it gets higher.
Okay, so what advice would you have for buyers?
Other than just being really patient and getting ready to put on some boxing gloves. Just make your best offer first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get a good offer in there. Do you see that the growth of home prices slowing anytime soon, and should buyers wait or buy now?
Ooh, that's $1 million question. I wish I knew the answer to that. I would say just if you're in a position where you can be patient and you're kind of flexible on timing, absolutely be looking at a house now. But if you're the kind of person that is maybe locked in a lease and you need to be out in 30 days, you might want to renew your lease for a little bit.
And be ready to wait a little bit. Okay, how do home prices and what you get for your money compare between Missouri and Illinois? How does the separation of the Mississippi River affect that?
We're actually not seeing too big of a difference. Of course, it depends mostly on neighborhood, not so much state. But it's just as crazy in Illinois as it is in Missouri. So
everywhere's kind of crazy. And what can people expect out of the spring housing market?
That's a great question as well. Wouldn't we all like to know that? I think just same craziness. I see no end in sight. It's just nuts. So I do have a message for anyone who's interested in selling their house.
Okay.
Please sell it now. Like, I'm speaking for realtors throughout Missouri and Illinois when I say this. We are begging you. We need inventory. There are so many people who are ready to buy a house. They have money burning a hole in their pocket, and there's just nothing.
Not enough.
Nothing.
All right. Good information for us. Thanks so much for joining us this afternoon.